Yeah, I certainly agree that what we're dealing with is a medical issue for the people that have an addiction. Um, it is an absolute issue that is treatable. And so, we can get people into recovery. And so addiction is absolutely a medical condition. It is a disease. Experts know that. And I think more and more American people understand that addiction is a disease. Trafficking in drugs is illegal and always should be. For those people that are just doing it to make money, that those who don't have an addiction, to the substance they are peddling, the people that have an addiction, to making money. That's the role of law enforcement. That's the role of the court system and the judicial branch, is to go after those people. But the people that have an addiction, you talk to any police officer on the street, any sheriff out in the countryside, and they'll be the ones to tell you that incarceration doesn't work for those people that have an addiction. They'll be one of the first ones because they encounter them on a daily basis who understand that they need help and that they need treatment. More law enforcement every day is trained on how to work with those individuals and how to save their lives. For example, naloxone is the life-saving reversal drug for someone who's experiencing an opioid or fentanyl overdose. And now most first responders are carrying it, and they have it with them. And so, it's important that we continue the work that we've done on criminal justice reform to make sure that those who have an addiction are getting the help that they actually need. It's important to recognize that the people who have an addiction, it can actually be treated. And there's beautiful stories of recovery, not just in my family, but in so many hundreds of thousands of families across the country. If we give people an opportunity to get treatment, so many of them will take it, and so many of them can be successful. We have to continue to invest in people. This is not a war on drugs. This is embracing people who have an addiction. This is making sure that they get the help that they need. And really, at the end of the day, that we're providing the love and the emotion that people so desperately crave. That's our responsibility as a human being, is to be there for other people. And that includes on this issue.